Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. So this video is about the B.ed CET mental ability section. Mental ability is an essential aspect of human functioning that impacts how we learn, think and interact with the world around us. In this video we will explore what mental ability is, why it matters and how it can be improved. We will also discuss the role of mental ability in education, work and personal growth. So, whether you are a student, a professional or simply curious about the human mind, this video is for you. So stay tuned. But before we move on, we have an important announcement to put forward that we have already launched the batches for the year 2024 and 25. And if you are an aspirant for the year 2023, we have an ongoing crash course batch. To join the batches, if you want to join the live class and online session, you can contact the number 8828581455. If you are looking for the classroom coaching, you can visit our centers Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, Thane, and we are soon coming up with a new center in Pune as well. You can also follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel Manual B.ed Entrance for all the videos related to B.ed exams. Regardless of the batches you have joined, you will be provided with the video lectures, mock tests, books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, mentorship strategies, and a lot more things, guys. So what are you all waiting for? Just head to the numbers and book your seats right away. Now, let's understand what is mental ability. B.ed is a program that prepares students to become teachers in school. The concept of mental ability is an important part of the B.ed curriculum. As it is essential for teachers to understand and assess the mental abilities of their students to help them learn better. Mental ability refers to a person's cognitive, emotional, and behavioral capacity. It involves various mental processes such as thinking, reasoning, perception, memory, attention, problem solving, decision making, creativity, and motivation. Mental ability is not limited to academic intelligence, but also includes social intelligence, emotional intelligence, and practical intelligence. Guys, in B.ed, mental ability is studied from a psychological perspective where students learn about the different theories, concepts, and models related to mental ability. They also learn about various techniques and tools used to assess mental ability, such as intelligence tests, aptitude test, and personality test. The course also focuses on how to identify and address the diverse mental abilities of students in a classroom setting to ensure equitable learning opportunities. So guys, this is what mental ability is. Moving ahead, let's look at what all things come under the mental ability section. The very first is intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge and skills. It involves cognitive process such as perception, memory, attention, and reasoning. Intelligence can be measured using various standardized tests, including IQ test, which provides a numerical score that reflects a person's intellectual ability. Intelligence is a significant predictor of academic and professional success, but it is important to note that it is not the only factor. Then comes memory. Memory refers to the ability to encode, store, and retrieve information. It is essential for learning and is divided into three stages: sensory memory, short term memory, and long term memory. Sensory memory holds information for a few seconds, short term memory retains information up to 3 seconds, and long term memory stores information for an extended period. Memory can be improved through techniques such as repetition, elaboration, and association. Then comes attention. Attention is the ability to focus and concentrate on relevant information while filtering out distractions. It is essential for learning and is divided into three types: selective attention, divided attention, and sustained attention. Selective attention involves focus. Selective attention involves focusing on one stimulus while ignoring others. Divided attention involves attending to two or more tasks simultaneously. Sustained attention involves maintaining focus over a prolonged period. Attention can be improved through techniques such as mindfulness and meditation. Then comes reasoning. Reasoning involves the ability to think logically, make deductions, and solve problems. It is an essential component of critical thinking and decision making. Reasoning can be improved through practice, exposure to diverse perspectives, and learning new problem solving techniques. Then comes emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's emotion and those of others. It involves four components: self awareness, self regulation, social awareness, and relationship management. Emotional intelligence is essential for building positive relationships and effective communications. Emotional intelligence can be improved through techniques such as mindfulness, empathy, and active listening. So these are the important things what comes under mental ability. Now, how to prepare for the mental ability section? The very first comes series and number. The topic test your ability. This topic tests your ability to recognize patterns and sequences. Practice different types of number series and their patterns. You should be able to identify the logic behind the series and predict the next number in the series. Then comes syllogism. This topic tests your logical reasoning skills. Practice different types of syllogisms to get a better understanding of their structure and solve them efficiently. Study the rules of syllogisms and practice their application through exercises. Then comes relationships. This topic tests your ability to recognize and analyze different relationships. Practice identifying the relationships between different objects, persons, and places. You should be able to identify the relationships, recognize patterns, and draw inferences. Then come analogies. This topic tests your ability to draw comparisons and identify relationships between different objects, persons, and places. Practice different types of analogies and their variations. You should be able to identify the relationship between the given pair of words and select the option that best completes the given pair of words. Then come coding decoding. This topic tests your ability to decode messages and recognize patterns. Practice different type of coding decoding problems and their variations. You should be able to identify the coding pattern and decode the given message. Then comes classification. This topic tests your ability to classify objects based on their similarities and differences. Practice different types of classification problems and their variations. You should be able to identify the common features among the given objects and classify them accordingly. Then comes problems on dice. This topic test this topic tests your ability to visualize and solve problems related to dice. Practice different types of dice problems and their variations. You should be able to visualize the dice and answer the questions based on the given condition. In addition to the given topic, also practice questions on logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, and problem solving. Solving previous year papers and mock tests will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and work on them accordingly. Focus on developing your speed and accuracy in solving these questions. Keep a calm and focused mindset while solving the questions and avoid spending too much time on a single question. So guys, that's pretty much it for the mental ability section. I hope you like the content of the video. If you do, then do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for such helpful content. If you have any doubts and queries regarding this video, you can write down in the comment section and we'll definitely get back to you with all your queries solved. And if you want us to make videos on any particular topic, you can write down in the comment section too, and we'll definitely work on the same. And guys, if you are an aspirant for the year 2024 and 25 looking to start your preparations from now on, we have already launched our batches. You can call our number 8828581455 for live class and online session. And you can also visit our centers Dadar, Borivali, Vasai and Thane for the classroom coaching. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Until then, see you in the next video.